Hey guys, it's Pam here, and today I'm going to chat to you on how I kept these nails for 7 weeks going on 8 weeks. They're my pink nails with a little bit of glitter. They have grown out in the 7 weeks, but there are no chips or the nails are not cracked. Let me share with you how I managed to keep them for 7 weeks. Usually they last me about 4 weeks, maybe 5 weeks, because I'm a bit rough with these nails. I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how I managed to keep my nails for 7 weeks. These are acrylic tips with gel overlay and glitter. Tip number 1 would be choosing a good nail technician, as it's important to find a good nail technician that will build the foundation of your nails and have them looking good for quite a while. Tip number 2 would be intervals between your different set of nails. These nails are the first set since lockdown. My natural nails had a lot of time to breathe before the next set. So it is important to keep a time interval. It's usually about a week between sets of your tips. Tip number 3 is really important and my favorite. What you want to do is always keep your hands moisturized. Having your hands moisturized keeps your nails from drying out and your nail beds moist. It prevents the acrylic tips from lifting and it keeps them stuck to your nails. What really annoys me is I usually can't run my fingers through my hair after 4 weeks because the tips start to lift and it hooks on my hair, and as you can see, even after 7 weeks it's running through my hair quite nicely. Tip number 4 would be to choose the correct length of nails that suit your lifestyle. If you work with your hands a lot, you want to choose shorter nails as opposed to longer nails to prevent them from breaking or hooking on things that causes them to damage quite easily. So lifestyle versus the length of nails is quite important. Tip number 5 is stop biting them or fidgeting. They last a lot longer if you're not constantly playing with them like I do, and they come off quite easily after about 4 weeks. But I'm really happy with the set that's lasted quite a long time, and it's time for a new set. As you can see, it's grown out quite a bit, so it's time to get a new set. I haven't folded them. I don't usually like having them fold. I'd rather replace them, so it's time to get a new set. I hope you found these tips useful. Leave some comments below and tell me about what your tips to having your acrylic tips lasting longer would be. As much as I like them, it's time to have them replaced. The tips have definitely grown out and it's now time for a new set. Thanks for watching.